umuthe ni yukamite ni uma na giikaro na dudu ya maminista na makiria kana ni uma na giikaro na minista wa githomo guku bururi Ezekiel Machogu na kuria Machogu ekorire kana gitariirie uhoro wigie ndwari iri ragithi na mbere thukuru-ini wa St Teresa na mwena wa eregi guku ni kaunti-ini ya Kakamega. Thegia macio kana thegia macio Machogu ni atariirie na njira nene iguru rigie wandikani wa arutwo tauria bashia wa Mwangi aratariiria.
Minista wa githomo guku bururi-ini niwe Ezekiel Machogu omwe wa maminista aria magwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge umuthi mukawa-ini wa Sarovo Pan Africa guku Nairobi. Kamiti iri itanya riao ni gutigirira honge cia thirikari ni iraruta wira na wigiririku undu umwe na kurumirira watho rutiri-ini wao wa wira. Akiaria giikaro-ini giki Machogu niariirie ciana iria cirwarite cukuru-ini wa eregi kaunti-ini ya Kakamega kuria ugire ni atumite andu kuma ruhonge rwa githomo gwekinya cukuru-ini ucio niguo gwika uthuthuria na kinyi na kumenya niki gicungireirie arutwo acio kurwara hamwe na uria maundu mahana cukuru-ini ucio.
Very much there was a program in eregi,
just in a minute,
eregi school, as chairman has said. The health personnel have gone to the school to investigate the root cause of that.
Niariirie baru ni muruna wa minista wa ugima wa mweri na kumicha kuria ugire ruhonge rwa ugima wa mweri ona ruo ni rutumite andu na makoya ithimi cia thakame cia arutwo aria mena murimu ucio niguo guthuthuria na kumenya na kinyi ucungireirio niki na kana murimu ucio no utheremio.
We have a total of 95 students hospitalized as at yesterday evening. This morning I haven't received the report, but when we got the report from the county government, we immediately dispatched a team from the headquarters, from the ministry, my director of public health, together with a team of 7.
Niariirie iguru wigie wandikani wa arimu guku bururi-ini hamwe na uhoro kuongerera macukuru mbeca muno cukuru cia gukomwo.
I want to assure you that as a ministry we recognize the very critical important role that boarding schools play in those areas, because people keep on moving from one area to another because of the way of life. So if anything, we want, when funds are available, to increase the number. Because
Machogu ni atanyetwo gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti iyo muthenya wa Jumatano gucokia ciuria hamwe na gutheria maundu mamwe ma maria mena nganja ministry-ini iyo ya githomo. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV njitagwo Bashia wa Njere.
Haya, ripoti ningi kana thengio muno mundu gwitwo ti Bashia ni undu wa ripoti iyo. Haya, thikiriria ripoti haha wigwatiri wa thibitari wa mathomo wa Kenya